Go for it, dude. This is our first unboxing video. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Be careful and... be sure to get the ones on the sides too. Alright, what are we unboxing today, Elijah?
I have no idea. It's a mystery box. Booster bricks.
So we're unboxing booster bricks today?
Yeah. We're gonna see what's inside. Ooh. There's some nice pieces in this one.
Ooh, there are some cool pieces in there. I see a propeller. I see a big flat piece. There's another big flat piece.
Last bag.
Last bag of the 3 bags. Alright. Alright, this is what came in our mystery box. Is that a boat there, bro?
What?
A boat. Is that a boat?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so that's cool.
And then we got this.
That's interesting. So show me some of
Here's a cool little propeller thing.
Ooh, what's that?
I don't know, but it looks really cool.
That is awesome. I see some like glass covers, like for a space shuttle. Ooh, what's that? Black with stripes piece.
This? Oh, this.
Oh, cool. Roadblock. What's that? Kind of looks like a guy.
Well, it's something cool. It's like a Lego,
Ooh, I see a barrel in there. Is that a wagon wheel over there in the corner? I see that one.
I found
Okay, that's pretty
diamond.
awesome.
I found diamond.
Ooh, there's a door. Ooh, look at that one. Oh. Am I upside down? I think I'm upside down. Okay, that's pretty cool. Oh, nice. Check it. It's a cannon.
It's a cannon. Look.
And the cannon immediately goes in the boat. Boat's not big enough to support the cannon, but hey, whatever, yo.
No, it actually hooked.
I didn't say it didn't hook. This is you're talking Lego physics, I'm talking real life physics. Alright, we got
Another cannon! Yay!
another cannon?
Yeah.
Oh, that's an actual brick shooter, okay. That would make a nice hull.
This is so cool, Mom. It's a thing for the Kraken. It's like a Kraken collar or something.
Oh, weird. Got a nice piece of grating here.
Dad, I found a Kraken collar.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Total submarine bubble right there. Check that out.
Oh, look at what I found.
Lightsaber!
There's like a lightsaber in every pack we get.
Is there?
Yeah.
Hadn't noticed it all. We got windows. Those are cool.
Because I've been noticing it in every new pack we get. There's a lightsaber in it.
A tire. Oh, we're going to be doing with that. Ooh, interesting. Oh, wicked cool. Check this out. What's this?
That looks like. Wait, does this go in here? It can.
It can. All right. We got bumper guard.
Ooh. Look at what I found.
Ooh, that's a cool one. Some nice, cool stenciling on there.
Oh, look what I found.
Ooh, that's cool.
It can tase dinosaurs, so I think it's useful.
I think we're into a 5-minute video. I think we did pretty good. All right, so
Let's upload this to YouTube.
this is what we got.